little bit a slight problem in the internet. That's why our live stream have been stuck. Extremely sorry for the inconvenience, guys. Let's begin again. First of all, I would like to tell you that I'm doing a live stream from Dan Agro Company, and Dan Agro Company is actually located in Sichuan province, Leshan city, Jingyan County area, where we are manufacturing this kind of agriculture machinery. And when I talk about the agriculture machinery, I mean that all kind of combined rice mill machine, shaft cutter, paddy thresher, combined rice mill machine, shaft cutter, paddy thresher, cone thresher, multiple crop thresher, and most importantly silage packing machine, and the latest model of shaft cutter as well. In front of you guys, we have a different kind of a rice mill machine right now. You might be able to see that. We was talking about that, but suddenly our internet get off because today we had a bad internet connection. So just bear with me and listen to me. I was telling you about 6 and 2023G and this kind of a model which can process rice from 250 to 300 kilogram at the same time, but can also increase the efficiency, can also increase the productivity if you clean their disc mill, rice mill screen, if you provide them lubricants. Why lubricants? Because we are also using a bearing system in these models. So if you provide lubricant, especially when you are using a combined rice mill machine, you have to provide lubricants to increase their productivity as well. Now this model and 9FC21SS quite looks similar. Why? Because a 9FC21SS can work on electric motor as well, at the same time can work on a gasoline engine as well. In this model actually we are using a gasoline engine and we are not using electric motor, because for electric motor you have already seen 9FC21SS with both round hopper, and most of the body was made by stainless steel. But in this model actually most of the body is made by a carbon, but the color is also quite different. At the same time they are using gasoline engine as compared to the electric motor. So what is the main reason behind that? The main reason behind that is that those people actually who want to use in a rural area and they have an unstable voltage connection, or they don't have a good electricity connection, they can even use on electric gasoline engine as well. But those people who have a good electricity connection, I always suggest them to use electric motor. We had provided two kind of electric motor as well, 3 HP electric motor and 3.5 HP electric motor as well. In this model in front of you actually the HP might be 11 HP, that might be 16 HP. I'm not sure about that. What I'm sure about that, their capacity will remain same. You can process 250 to 300 kilogram of rice in 1 hour. All the capacity we mention on our machines actually is the capacity for 1 hour. Like in 1 hour you can process your rice and your the material you want to grind from 250 to 300 kilogram only in 1 hour. If you had any question, rice as well, if you are an importer, you are most welcome to visit our company as well. We are located in Sichuan province, Leshan city, Jingyan County area, where we are manufacturing these kind of agriculture machines. And in these kind of agriculture machines include all kind of a rice mill machine, at the same time all kind of a shaft cutter as well. This shaft cutter has a different kind of capacity and they can work on a gasoline engine as well. At the same time they can work on diesel engine and electric motor as well. The latest model actually can work on diesel engine, but the other model I'm not sure about that. Most of the model can work on a gasoline engine and electric motor at the same time, but if you are using the latest model brought by Dan Agro company with the highest capacity of 15 ton, you use diesel engine and electric motor, but you are unable to use gasoline engine. Why? Because the consumption is much more lower when you're using diesel engine. But if you are afraid that your environment will get polluted, I will always suggest you to use electric motor as compared to using diesel engine. All these shaft cutter actually their outer look and interior look is totally different. And hi, I am from Senegal, a country in West Africa. I am very interested of your product. You are most welcome, brother. I'm gonna mention our WhatsApp number as well, and you can add our WhatsApp number and we can talk about it. If you don't have our WhatsApp number, you can add our WhatsApp number as well and we can talk about that. But I am looking for a, can I have a contact call, please? Yes, it's +86 1529 8011 +86 1529 8011 This is our WhatsApp number and this is also our WeChat number. If you can easily get access to WeChat, you can contact us on WeChat. If you are easily to contact us on a WhatsApp, you can add our WhatsApp as well. It's +86 1529 8011 of the shaft cutter, Dan Agro made company, Dan Agro made product. We are not only making shaft cutter, we are also making all kind of a paddy thresher, corn thresher, silage packing machine, multiple crop thresher as well. And we have also the latest model in the shaft cutter with the highest capacity of. Thank you. You are welcome. Can you explain here the issue of freight forwarded? I'm in South Africa. Yeah, actually the issue is that like if you wanna buy directly from us, you have to find a freight forwarder. We will deliver your product inside the China, whether you want. If you want in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, Yiwu, everywhere we can provide that. But if you are an importer and you can import this kind of agriculture machinery in a huge quantity, like if you wanna buy a container, we can also send it to your local country. But if you're gonna buy for your personal use, actually, because we are a manufacturer company and we are located in China, so we are unable to provide you a shipping agent. You had to find a shipping agent by yourself. After finding a shipping agent, we will deliver your product inside the China, and then that shipping agent or a freight forwarder will help you to deliver this product to your country. It will be a better idea. It will be a cheaper for you as well. It's good. Yeah, it's damn good. All these machines made by Dan Agro company, I am actually impressed. They are damn good. Why they are good? First of all, they can easy to carry from one place to another. Why? Because they had provided a universal wheel. Other good thing is that they had provided electric motor as well. At the same time, they had provided diesel engine and a gasoline engine as well. So if you don't have a good electricity connection, or if you wanna actually most of the people when it's come to using a shaft cutter, they actually use in their livestock farm. So of course, if you don't have a good electricity in your farmhouse, you can use a diesel engine or gasoline engine as well. But for the rice mill machine, actually, I would always suggest to use electric motor. Why? Because these machines can probably used at home as well. So if you don't want to, if you are afraid that your environment get polluted, you can use electric motor as well. But if you don't have this kind of a problem, you can, of course, you can use a gasoline engine as well. Can you hear me now? Hello, can you hear me? If you can't hear me, just please let me know that. We had actually a slight problem to the internet connection. So yesterday, tomorrow we will find a best place where all of these machines are also available, and we don't have an internet connection. Actually, when we talk about the shaft cutter, they have different kind of a model. I was telling you earlier, like they had a model from 1000 kilogram to 15 tons in 1 hour, but they also have a two kind of a shaft cutter as well, where you can process, can be used for a disc mill machine as well, and can be used for to cut a hay or a wet grass as well. In cone thresher, they have two models actually. One model can work on electric motor and one model can work on gasoline engine. In self-suction pulverizer or disc mill machine, they had a lot of options. Even there are many machines, there are many models. You might not be able to see here, but they have it actually. There are many other models as well, like the latest model with the highest capacity. That model has the capacity of 2000 kilogram to 2500 kilogram in 1 hour. That's the latest model. But these actually self-suction pulverizer you are seeing behind it, they are also really good. Like they can also process your product from 400 to 500 kilogram in 1 hour. If we talk about this little butterfly which you are seeing right here, it can also process from 110 to 160 kilogram in 1 hour. This model actually mostly you respond to solar question, please. Sir, right now actually they don't have something like that. Right now they had three options. First of all, they had a gasoline. Second of all, they had electric motor. And third, they have a diesel engine. Right now, I'm not sure that they have anything which can work on a solar system. They had three options with every motor, not with every motor, but two options with every product they are bringing into the market. First one is gasoline engine and second one is electric motor. But the highest capacity model they had bring into the market, they can also work on a diesel engine as well. But a solar system, I think it's right now it's quite impossible, but in future might be they bring something like that. You are most welcome. I was telling you about this. A crusher actually, it can also process all kind of a product. Mostly it's used to crush wheat and all kind of spices, but its capacity is 110 to 160 kilogram in 1 hour. This is also a good model which can work on electric motor and gasoline engine as well. Machine frame is quite bigger as compared to the whole disc mill head assembly. So if you want to use for, if you want to buy for your personal use, or if you want to buy to use at your small store as well, where you want to crunch or crush all kind of spices, this is the best model. All of the disc mill machine or self-suction pulverizer or a floor mill machine you are seeing here, their interior is different from each other. They are totally different. In some model they had provided as swings blade. In some model they had provided eye tooth. In some model they had provided T-tooth as well. So each and every model, their interior is quite different. And if you want to process more material, and if you want to use even a single disc mill machine, you have to buy more disc mill sieve. And what is disc mill sieve? Disc mill sieve is, I'm going to show you actually. If I'll explain, you might don't understand. This is what we call a disc mill sieve. They had a different disc mill sieve. If you want to buy from Agro company, we have from 0.2 millimeter to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 millimeter. Different kind of a disc mill machine, disc mill sieve can use to process different kind of material as well. So if you want to process more material, and if you want to use even a single machine, you have to buy more disc mill sieve or disc mill screen as well. Hammer mill These model are also latest model. This model has the capacity from 400 to 500 kilogram. But if you are still looking for something much more bigger, even from this model, they had a self-suction pulverizer with the highest capacity of 2000 kilogram to 2500 kilogram in 1 hour. That's all up to you. Now, if you had any question, please let me know. And those people who want to inquire more about that, those people who want to see all the product which Don Agro has manufactured, you can add our WhatsApp number and you can ask for a catalog. Our WhatsApp number is +86 15298011 I'm gonna say a little bit slower. +86 15298011 +86 15298011 This is our WhatsApp number and WeChat number as well. If you have any more question, you can ask on WhatsApp as well. We will provide you our catalog. On catalog, you will be able to see each and every model in detail. We have mentioned their volume, we have mentioned their HP, weight, their width, their length as well. They can work on electric motor, they can work on diesel engine as well. I was sent the catalog but without price. I want price please. And okay, the price related question is that why we don't mention price. On Facebook live stream, I have told my audience many times, like, actually, when it's come to the price, to avoid, sometimes it's a misunderstanding between clients and suppliers. So that's why we don't mention prices on each and every social media platform. First of all, we are using a gasoline engine and diesel engine as well, and two kinds of electric motor as well. So when people ask about the price, they even don't know which machine they are asking about. So to avoid this kind of a misunderstanding, we provide you our WhatsApp number where you can ask us about the price. I can understand that. I can understand that. That's not a big issue actually. If you want to know any kind of a machine price, you can add WhatsApp right now and I will provide you the price. And the price will be actually, the other good thing is that if you want to know about the price, first you also have to find a shipping agent. Like if you don't have a shipping agent inside the China, how you are planning to import this kind of agriculture machine? Like if you don't have a shipping agent, even they will provide you a price, sir. Even if you don't have a shipping agent inside the China, how are you planning to import this kind of agriculture machine? If you want to visit Don Agro company, then I think it will be a good idea. Like first you visit our factory and we will show you how actually these machines are working. And after that you might change your plan and you buy in a good quantity as well. And the prices, if you buy a single rice mill machine or a single combined rice mill machine, prices might be a little bit higher. But if you buy in a huge quantity, because each and every manufacturer company, they had their own MOQ, like minimum order quantity. Some company has a 10, some had 15, some had 5. Each and every company have their, own rules and regulations. So sometimes we had to follow them. Sometimes we had to follow these kind of rules as well. But if you want to inquire about the price, you are most welcome. You can add our WhatsApp number and we will provide you a price. But there is also providing price is Don Agro responsibility, but finding a shipping agent or finding a freight forwarder is, I think, our audience, our buyer's responsibility as well. We will provide you a best quality product. We will provide you after sales services as well. We will be keep in touch with you all the time until your good will be arrived in your hometown. But I am planning to come myself, but it's good to have price. Then I'll give an idea. We'll ask price on WhatsApp. Sure, sir, I'll provide it. But if you want to visit us, we are located in Sichuan province, Leshan city, Jingyan County area, where we are managing this kind of agriculture machinery. If anybody already is inside China and want to visit our factory, we are located in Sichuan province, Leshan city, Jingyan County area, where we are manufacturing these kind of agriculture machines. And we sometimes name them small agriculture machinery. And why we name them small agriculture machines actually? Because they can be used by the help of a one person. They can be carried from one place to another. They can work on a gasoline engine at the same time can work on electric motor as well. That's why we name that small agriculture machine. Even with the highest capacity. Even we had a machines with the highest capacity as well. Still we name that small agriculture machines. Dan Agro has a simple, aim that in each and every country, every city, there should be Dan Agro made product. Why? Because we need them actually, guys. We need them. We are getting our rice from many ways, but we are not satisfied with the quality of the rice. So if you want to improve the quality of your rice, you are most welcome to buy Dan Agro made product, and you will never ever regret that. What do we have to offer you to our importers? We can print their own logo. We can print their own number plate as well. We can change the color of the machine as well. We can print their brand name on box carton as well. And the other good thing is that, like, if they want to buy in a huge quantity, there will be some good discount as well, because Chinese New Year is coming. So keep hurry, add our WhatsApp number. If you are looking to order in a huge quantity, I think this is the best option for you. We have rice mill machine with the capacity of 250 to 600 kilogram. Different model, different work, but one thing will always remain same, and that's the product quality. Product quality will always remain same. If you buy single rice mill machine or if you buy a combined rice mill machine, their rice quality will always remain same. And when I talk about the number plates or a logo, like if you can see that here they had mentioned Dan Agro rice mill. But if you have your own brand, we can print your own brand logo onto these machines as well. If you don't like the color, we can change the color, but the question is that you had to order in a huge quantity. Do you have that also does construction machines? I'm not sure about this, sir. Maybe, maybe not. I'm not sure about that. Those things actually I'm not sure about that. I will never misguide you. Never ever. So if I am sure about something, like I was sure about, like they don't have any machines which can work on a solar system, so I told you, but I am not sure about this question actually. Okay guys, this is it. See you tomorrow. And tomorrow we will try to do a live stream where lighting will be good, so that each and every part of the machine you can see clearly. And the other thing is that we will try to do where internet will be good, where you can listen my voice very clearly. I will try to speak much more slower, and I will try to communicate with more and more with you, so that if you had any kind of a question which you are looking answer for but you haven't get answer, you can ask me in a comment section, and I will try my best to get back to you. Okay guys, see you tomorrow.